In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily deactivate a page on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here to go to menu. And that's where, first off, we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to a page. The easiest way to do so is tap right here at that arrow. That will show you your profile page here and all of your pages. Now I'm just gonna select one. After we've switched to a page, then we need to go to menu right here. And at Pages menu, we need to tap at that gear to go to Settings and Privacy. And now, guys, we can see this search box here at the very top, and now I'm just gonna search for ACC, just like so. That's how we can easily find the option Access and Control, and we need to get into it. And that's where we can easily find deactivation and deletion option. On the next step, we can easily deactivate our page. This is a default setting here, so we can there just hit add continue. On that step, we need to enter our Facebook password. I'm just gonna autofill it, then hit continue. Now we can choose here some option. It doesn't really matter what we choose on this step. I'm just gonna choose this is temporary. I'll be back here, and then scroll down a bit and hit add this button. And now, guys, it allows us some extra options, such as it allows us to log out instead of deactivation. We can save posts in your archive here, and also there we have that option that allows us to reactivate our page automatically, and the default setting here is 7 days. So if we don't change that option, our page will be automatically reactivated after this number of days has passed. However, if you just wanna deactivate your page and then reactivate it manually when you would like to do so, then just hit right here and select Don't Reactivate Automatically. I recommend you to use that feature to be able to reactivate your page automatically manually when you want to do so. And then to continue, we need to tap right here at Continue. And we'll be taken to the next step where it allows us to transfer our information. I'm just gonna hit continue here, and on that final step to deactivate your page, you need just to tap right here at this button which says deactivate page. After that, your page will be deactivated until you manually reactivate it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.